Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, Jack McKeag. You can find our information on libertyaid.org, and you can write us questions at contact@libertyaid.org. Okay, we had a great thought here. Someone had a question. Actually, I've heard it before, and I just thought I'd do just this straight up thing on it, okay? This is about paying off a debt in collections or that's late or what have you, you know what I mean, on your credit report. And why you never do it. Let's say there's something, that you haven't paid that's on your credit report. Let's say, it's in total default and whatever it is, credit card, a cell phone bill, whatever unsecured debt, that's out there, not secured against an asset, like a mortgage is against a house, or car loans against a car. Not for them, okay? Because, they want that asset. If the debt isn't paid, that's a different situation. But on unsecured stuff that's on your credit report is a negative. Never pay them a dime in any circumstances to anyone. Not ever. Because if you do, and it's marked as paid off, your credit report doesn't change. It has no effect. Paying a creditor on an account that is already derogatory in some way will never have it removed from the credit report, or have it be marked positive in a way that fixes your credit report. Not ever. It'll never do it. Never. Okay? There's no way that it can. It's already charged off. It's going to still be charged off. It's already 30, 60, 90 days late. It's still going to be that. You see? That's not going to change. They're not going to remove those items. Even if you sign a contract with them that says they're going to remove, fix that stuff, clear it up, they never do it. I've never seen them do it for those reasons. They never do it. Never pay a debt on your credit report that's like past due, that's unsecured, that's still not open. You know what I mean? Like if it's still a credit card that still wants to do business with you, maybe you want to pay some or whatever, it's an open account. Some case you still want to clean that stuff up or whatever. I'm talking about things that have already happened, like something that's on there from a past event. Don't ever pay them. Whatever, Liberty Aid's debt removal package is guaranteed to work. It'll remove it, okay? And it's very inexpensive compared to all these debts you're thinking of paying off. Don't ever pay them. Still get them off. Still get a clean credit report. But just, give us a little donation and we'll help you through the process. That's the way to do it, okay? But don't ever pay them a nickel, a penny. It'll never improve your credit report. And they never tell you that. They say, oh yeah, it'll fix it, it'll clear this. No, not ever. It never will. Okay, so never even consider that as a thought. Never, not ever pay the bankers or creditors that want something that's in default on your credit report, your personal credit report. Not ever. Okay, don't do it. All right. Hope we cleared that up. Great question. Great thought. All right. God bless your success.